welcome to InfoHub. Do subscribe and press the bell icon and never miss any update from InfoHub. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to share with you some very important tips on Photoshop which we all generally face at some point of time. So here you go, have a look. The first major problem we all face is the JPEG data error. So now how to fix it? Let me show you. For example, let's say I want to open this particular image. Now as you can see, this is the tab which usually appears on the screen due to whatever reasons. But now you can easily fix this error in just no seconds. So all you need to do is go to Edit. There's an option called Preference. In Preference there's an option called General. Go to General and you can see File Handling. Click on File Handling and click on Camera Raw Preferences. And as you can see, so this is the tab which will appear to you, and these are the two changes which we need to make. Now as you can see, this is by default set to automatically open JPEGs with settings. So just change it to automatically open all supported JPEGs and change this as well to automatically open all supported TIFFs. Now click OK. OK. And now let me show you the result. Now as you can see, as you bring this image to this file, this is the tab which will appear to you. Simply click on Open Image. And now you can see the error is easily fixed in no seconds. So that is all about it. Okay, now moving towards to our second problem and one of the most googled questions, that is how to make Photoshop run faster. And this is generally a very major problem to each and every one. So now let me give you a quick solution to this. It's the same. Go to Edit, scroll down to Preferences. On Preferences you can see there's an option called Performance. Click on Performance and this is the tab which will appear to you. See, the first one is memory usage and mine is set to 69%, and this is a very good median. 70%, 69-70%, this is a very good median to work on. But if you have a higher RAM than me, then you can definitely increase your percentage, let's say up to 74 to 76, and that's more than enough. It may sound a very minor difference, and trust me, this is more than enough to make your Photoshop run faster, because keeping it to 90-95%, it may affect other softwares as well. So prefer keeping it between 70 to 75%. Okay, now moving towards to the next stage, that is graphic processor, that is use graphic processor. So this is an optional method. I won't recommend it to each and everyone, because generally the graphic processor is enabled because in Photoshop there are some features which require the graphics processor, like the perspective wrap tool and the puppet wrap tool. So such features require graphic processor. So I recommend this step to only those who uses Photoshop and it works really very slow, only to those. But you can on and off anytime in between your work this method, because only some features in Photoshop requires graphic processor. So now moving towards to our last method, that is the third one, and that is history status. See, this is by default set to 50. You can increase or decrease this accordingly. History states means 50 times you can undo your work, but generally speaking we don't require this much undo in our work, so you can decrease it. Let's keep it to 20. So 20 is more than enough. You can keep it between 15 to 25. That will be more than enough. And trust me, this is definitely gonna make your Photoshop run super faster. So that was all about it. Click OK, then close your tab. So after you're done with the settings, all you need to do is close your Photoshop tab and reopen Photoshop so that the settings are actually applied to your software. So that's it. Now moving towards to our last error, that is unsaved, lost or crashed file. So let's have a look on how can we get our unsaved or crashed file back. See, go to edit, go to performance, general. You can also get using the shortcut key control K. Go to file handling. The steps are same. You will find each and everything in file handling, and there's an option you can see here, automatically save recovery information every time. You can set accordingly. So make sure this is enabled. If this is not enabled, you won't be able to get your recovered file. So make sure that this is enabled. In the time you can set, you have variation from 5 to 1 hour. Prefer you're keeping 5 minutes. Okay. Now let's say I'm taking this particular file. Do have a look at this video. Link will be given somewhere above or in the description as well. So go and check. Okay, now moving forward. Let's say this is the particular file I'm working on, and let's add some elements. Now let's say I'm adding some text or anything. Now as you can see, I have made some changes on the file which I have already saved somewhere else, but now let's say by mistakenly the file got crashed. Let's crash this file. So the file isn't saved, as you all know. See, the first method is you can directly open Photoshop, and as you can see, the recovery file will automatically appear on the screen, and this is only applicable after you have enabled your autosave. So make sure that your autosave is enabled. See, the second method is go to Windows, go to Run, and simply write %appdata%, click OK, go to Adobe, go to Adobe CC 2014, the version you are using, and you can see there's an option called Auto Recover. Click on Auto Recover, and as you can see, your file is automatically recovered in this particular folder. And now if you open this, you can see you get back your recovered file as it is. So that's all about today, and I'm hoping this would definitely help you. Comment down your doubts below. We will be happy to help you. So see you next time with some more interesting topics. Thank you. We hope you like this video. Give your feedback in the comment section. Now you can also follow us on all social medias. Hit like and do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos.